Yep, I guess hopefully I am live. Let me actually check my streaming setup here. So I guess that should tell that I'm live. But oh, are you guys able to see something? Oh, there you go. That I guess that means I am live. Hey people, this is one of my most impromptu streams in a long time. So uh, you're welcome to the stream. And so today, I'm sorry. So today I'll be doing some lead code because I want to feel productive basically, and this is better than me playing a game. Or maybe I will play a game after this. How about I reward myself with a game? So yesterday, after I abruptly ended the stream, I was able to complete yesterday's problem. So if I go into Python slash easy, was that Mm, eliminate maximum number of monsters? I was actually able to complete that. I had to look at the solution, yes, but I was almost there. So let me actually put that into my medium one so that I know. And today's seems to be medium as well. So let's see what it is. Maybe I'll be able to do it, but it'll be interesting to see anyways. Python 3, I can probably do it in some other language, but it's okay. Okay, so you're given four integers, sx, s5, fx, and fi, and a non-negative integer t. In an infinite grid, you start at cell Sx and Sy. Each second you must move to any of its adjacent cells. Return true if you can reach cell after exactly t seconds, or false otherwise. Oh, I'll I'll have to implement extras algorithm or something. So no, probably not going to do that. Mm, okay. What the hell is add two numbers and why is it at medium? Uh, uh, right. Why is this at medium again? I mean, yeah, I get the point. It's quite hard. Yeah, it's sort of hard, but with with Python, it is sort of nothing really. Like, let's actually go into medium. I'll have to learn some more data structures if I have to do this. So, add two numbers. Right. You know what? Let me actually micro into this. Right. What do we have here? So we have that. Wait. Why is this a list node? It's a linked list. It's a linked list. Oh, so probably not how I think of doing this. I have to traverse back the linked list. Anyways, let me uncomment all of that. I'll still be needing that though. Yeah. So list node is there, and I guess I all I have to do is oops that and yeah. So the solution is solution and solution dot add to numbers. Okay, L1 is the optional link node. Next is none, and that none will again be a list. So, but we just think of this like conceptually, right? Mm, like I don't think I can actually able to solve this. So L1. let's say num1 is 0. It's 0. It's null. Num1 is null. Should it really be null though? Okay, num1 is just a string. Num2 is just a string. Right. While L1 dot next. Right. While it's actually there, L1. Right. While L1 dot next. Uh, right. I guess I can do something with that. Right. Num1 dot up. Num1 plus equal to L1 dot val. Str of L1 dot val. How about that? To dot next. To I think I can integrate both, but I'm not really sure. So let's just check. L1 is L1 dot next, and L2 is L2 dot next. That's why I prefer doing linked list in like a a more low level language like C++ or Java or something, because it's just easier to manipulate them there. Like this is what you get, the Pythonist string manipulation and stuff like that. Like Python has a first class support for strings that I really enjoy. So um, let's see if I can convert that into int. So num3 is int of num1 plus int of num2, right? And then I'll have to again return a list node, right? So L3 is a list node, right? Add that and convert that into a string. So is I is 0, and while I is less than length of num3. I'm so sorry for that. So I guess here I can do something like L3 is null for now, but L3 is actually no, it starts at 1, and L3 is a list node of value num3 of 0, and the next being list node of num3 of 1. Oh, oh yeah, I realize what it is to that. L3 is list node of val being num3 of I, right? And the next being uh, and the next being the same thing, right? So will I have to construct it? Okay, I guess I have to construct it. Def make node. This takes self, this takes a val, this takes in the next. How about that? Right. And this returns nothing actually, but yeah, this just returns a list node of val and next. Wait, how do I actually do that? I don't think there's actually a good way to do that. Huh. Like return, I have what I need. Like have num3 with me. The only problem here is that I should actually uh, oh, mistakes like that happen without text editor, but mm, I just can't recurse until I build it, can I? Mm, like I've taken a global thing. Do I also need to consider like a head? I don't think I need to do that. Let's actually ask OpenAI. Okay, so this is my list node. How do I create a, a linked list with from a given array of values? Right. Mm-hmm. Not values return. If else, you set head. Yeah, that's what you set the head to the list node, right? And then current is head. Right. So that's what you do. We first consider a head, which is L3, and a current, which is equal to L3. That is a list node of num3 of I, num3 of I, right? Yep, that makes sense. Okay, so for val in num3 of everything else, right? Uh, current dot next is list node of val, and current is current dot next. Ah, that makes sense. So now all I have to do is return the head, but the current is that makes absolutely no sense. Because current is the head, so I guess current is L3. I think I have to return L3, right? So let's see what Leetcode thinks of this solution. Uh, there you go. Right, let's run that. Invalid literal for end with base 10. While L2.next or L1.next. Valid literal. Fine. That's okay, but can you print out num1 and num2 like while you're at it? Mm, yeah, I guess that's cool. Like, can you print it out while you're at it? What's the final thing? Hey, I know the error, but 24 and 26. And uh, like, what? What the hell is 24 and 26? 56, sorry. 24 and 56. Okay, so the last one is not being considered. Mm, hmm. Okay, then we can just finally add that in the end. So that'll satisfy both, I guess. This is such a bad way of doing it. I'll probably have to look up how to do this properly. Mm, uh, mm, Non-type object has nothing called path. Okay, okay. So let's ditch that, right? And instead, let's do that two times because this is incredibly inefficient code, and I've sort of accepted that fact. L2 is L2 dot next. Okay, run that. Uh, and okay, so oh, uh, I'm getting the output, but it's just not reverse. Yeah, so let's work on the reverse bit as well. So I I starts from the length of num3. How about we say that, right? And yeah, it's a list of that. And dot reverse, is that a thing? So like here, if I do that is the length of num3, right? And that here I do a reverse. Is that even a thing? Will it work? I'm not sure if there's something called string index out of range. Oh, okay. How about that? The str object has no thing called reverse. Okay, then how do I reverse a string in Python? The hash hash minus one. Yep. Hash hash minus one. Right. So if I run that now, I guess that should all fall into place. No, that does not work. Uh, okay, so we do that first and then start from there. That's such a weird uh, slicing that I just did there. Oh, so that works surprisingly cool. Let's submit that and wait for our first test case to fail. And here we go. Uh, okay. And what went wrong? You need 10,000? How the hell is it 10,000? Wait. What is